Today I'm going to make a side dish, West Texas creamed corn. It's a very easy and very tasty, so let's get started on Darlene's table. So we're going to start with the butter. Let's melt the butter in the skillet. I wound up doing 4 tablespoons. Add the onion. That's a large onion chopped, and 2 jalapenos seeded and chopped. If you want to make it spicy, then don't take the seeds out. All right, now garlic. 3 cloves of garlic minced. Let this saute for another minute. Now I'm adding cumin, coriander, salt, and a little cayenne. This turned out really well. All right, now the flour, and we're going to give it a good stir and cook this for a couple of minutes. If you don't do this, you can actually taste flour in your dish. Always cook your flour. And now 1 cup of half and half. Going to mix this and let it thicken up. And 4 cups of corn. You can use canned corn, but I took the corn off the cob. It's really so easy to do, and I think it tastes so much better. See the little silk hairs, some of them still in there. I decided to add more cumin. I probably put about a half a teaspoon in there, just sprinkled it on top, stir it in. I always revise the recipe to reflect any changes I made. After this cooks for a few minutes, I'm going to add the Monterey Jack cheese. It's a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Now this cheese didn't have peppers in it, it's just the plain. If you wanted to add the Monterey Jack with peppers, it'd make it a little spicier. And cilantro. A 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. And in addition to that, we'll use cilantro for garnish on this. It's a very good side dish. If you've got a lot of corn, if you're raising your own, this is a good side dish. You can see that Monterey Jack cheese. We're going to taste it for seasoning. I think it's perfect. West Texas creamed corn, a popular dish that originated in the southwestern United States. It's a creamy, savory side dish made from sweet corn, cooked in butter, cream, and various seasonings such as garlic, coriander, cumin, and black pepper. Some variations may also include additional ingredients such as bacon or additional cheese for added flavor and texture. Overall, West Texas creamed corn is a beloved dish in the American Southwest and beyond, and it is often served at family gatherings, barbecues, and other festive occasions. Its rich and creamy texture combined with the sweet and savory flavor of the corn makes it a delicious and satisfying addition to any meal. So if you want to make this dish, go to darlenestable.com and find the recipe with all the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what's going on right here on Darlene's Table.